Some short footage on mounting a vise to a 3x3 steel tube. If you don't have a workbench, you want stability, this is what you got. Anchor it to the concrete. Of course, welding is involved, that's obvious. There you go. Quick and easy YouTube video, just an idea. I'd seen it on another video that wasn't anything to do with vices, but had something to do with you know, building a forge. And I just happened to see this guy had a standing tall vise in the middle of nowhere, allows for 360 axis at all times, waist level, very stout. So there's an idea how to mount a vise. Pretty easy.